Congress has demanded resignation of the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar as the Home Minister. The demand comes following the Nigerian attack in Porvorim on Thursday. Meanwhile, Congress spokesperson Sudip Tamankar has filed a complaint with the Governor against Home Minister and North Goa SP for failing to maintain law and order during Nigerian riots.
Number of Congress leaders addressed media on Friday in state. The day began with media briefing of spokesperson of Congress, Alex Reginald Lawrence. He wants CM to resign as Home Minister.
The Chief Minister is on record saying that there is an inter-gang rivalry. What is the CM trying to say? There is a rivalry of what? Drugs? What? What is the whole story? Why is this attitude of the police so lethargic? Why? Because is there interference of the politicians? Or there is a money factor. We strongly demand that there should be action on there should be a judicial inquiry, and the most important, the Chief Minister should resign as a Home Minister. He has totally failed and there is a total collapse in the law and order situation in the state. The death of the Nigerian should be investigated.
Goa Pradesh Youth Congress President Valanka Alemao has also demanded resignation of Home Minister.
It's high time. You are the one who's responsible. It is your whole and sole responsibility for state and order in the state, because end of the day, it is your department and you should be accountable for the same. And if you can't take account for the same, I think you should resign.
Meanwhile, Sudip Tamankar has filed a written complaint against Home Minister and North Goa SP for failure to maintain law and order during Porvorim ruckus with the Governor of Goa.
Porvorim police stationacho PI पळय जो आसा शिवराम वांयगणकर हो आनी SP नॉर्थ आसा प्रियंका कश्यप सारकी दोगांय जाणां पूर्णपणान जबाबदार आसा आनी ह्या संदर्भान आयज porvorim पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर दोगांयचेर हांवें कंप्लेंट घातलेली आसा. सेपरेट DGPकूय हांवें पत्र बरयल्लें आसा की इमिजिएटली दोगांयचें सस्पेन्शन करचें. कालच्या घटनेची जबाबदारी हेंचेर दोगांयचेर दिवन इमिजिएटली दोगांयचें सस्पेन्शन करचें. म्हणून दुर्दैवी स्टेटमेंट काल मुख्यमंत्र्याचो की एकाक नायजेरियनाक तेजी हायट पळय खंय केदी व्हडली आसा आनी त्या प्रमाण ताका सांबाळपाक 5 दीस लागतले. अत्यंत दुर्दैवी असो स्टेटमेंट. परत आनी एक तिसरें रिप्रेजेंटेशन आयज गव्हर्नराक हांवें दिल्लें आसा.
However, Vishwajit Rane has fully supported CM to take action against Nigerian. His opinion is different from Congress. He says CM should work with iron hand and he is there with CM.
म्हाका एकूच मागणी की मुख्यमंत्री he has to deal with the situation of the Nigerians with iron hand, come down heavily on this trade and throw these fellows out of Goa. आमचो सगळ्यांचो सहकार्य आसा सरकाराक. हय ह्युमन रायट बिडून येता तेन्ना पळया. They have no right to touch our police. They have no right to block the streets of Goa. प्रत्येक गोंयकाराच्या मनान आयज भय निर्माण जाल्लो आसा की पुलीस स्वताक प्रोटेक्ट करूं शकना नायजेरिया कडल्यान. लोकांनी तुमकां खूब अपेक्षान सत्तेर हाडलेले आसा. तो तुमी भंग करपाच्या मार्गार आहा. ते भंग जावन दिवं नाका. लोकांचेर लोकल लोकांचेर गोंयकाराचेर केस घालपाची गरज ना. म्हाका खात्री आसा की मनोहर पर्रीकरान आपले मायंड मेकअप केल्यार तो ते निर्णय घेवं शकता.
It only goes to show that government of Goa's failure in its policy of tourism. The Nigerians are largely, they belong to the drug mafia and they are using Goa as a safe haven. Right now in Arambol, there are approximately 200 plus Nigerians who are walking the beaches. Police काय action घेना. उलट पक्षी हांगासरल्या स्थानिक पुलिस डिपार्टमेंटान म्हज्याच प्रॉपर्टीन चोरया एक पार्टी सुद्धा वाजयली. These issues require to be addressed right now or else this will blow out of proportion.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
You can win. All you need is Khud Pe Yakin. This is a real story of Varu Sheth, a person who conquered his own disability. He works, he earns, he smiles and make others smile. This Diwali would be brighter with Akash Kandil standing high, crafted by a person who challenged the skies.
So what if I am disabled? So what if I have one leg and one hand? I have art and a will to work. With this attitude, Varu challenges his own disability every day. He is a born artist. He uses his single hand to work best at his creativity.
चौथीक मोखरा करता, ऑर्डर दिली कोणा तरी ती करता. मागीर दिवाळेक आकाशकंदील, मागीर नरकासुराचे मुखोटे हे म्हाज्या हातीन घडयता.
कशें जमता तुजे कडेन आतां ती खातीरूच तूं सगळें करता पळय न्ही
ते देवान बाबा म्हाका कितें दिलां तें हांव हें करतां.
Varu doesn't have to market his products. He has earned so much of goodwill that customers walk to his residence to purchase his products.
कोण व्हरता आकाशदेव बीन मागीर?
आकाशदेव म्हाजे अशे लोक हे गांवचे लोक आहा न्हू ते व्हरता, मागीर भायले लोक व्हरता येवन ऑर्डर आसता ते व्हरता, मागीर तकले तशे ऑर्डर आसली की ते व्हरता येवन आनी मागीर गांवचे लोक व्हरता जावं तळावले, आडपय, आगापूर, कासांचे भुरगे येवन तकले व्हरता म्हाजे.
An accident 14 years ago changed life of Varu Sheth. However, he fought his way out. He has a message to the society.
देवान जे पळय कितें दिलां, जे तुज्या हातीन कितें कला दिल्या पळय न्हू ती करून सोडची. अपंग म्हणटा ते भुरग्याक कोणाक म्हणपाचो ना, तेज्या हातीन ती कला आसता.
Father of Varu is proud of his son.
कलाकार बरो सामको कलाकार कितें तो तूं बसला तसलो तुका फोटो काडून दाखोवपी आनी तो इतको कलाकार म्हणजे तो आतां कितके सगळे इस्कॉलाची भुरगीं आनी खंयची भुरगीं सुद्दां येवन तेजे कडेन कितें ड्रॉईंग कर, हें कर, तें कर, तें कर करून व्हरता तेजे कडेन.
सुंदर अशें एक एग्जाम्पल जावन आसा की अपंग मनशा पेक्षा स्वताक कला दिल्ली देवान ती सादर करची आनी दाखोवचें की अपंग आसून सुद्दां आपूण ह्या पद्दतीन आपली कला दाखोवंक शकता लोकांक. आडपयच्यान हांव विवेक प्रभू प्रभू.
Delegation of All Goa Secondary Teachers Association agitated at Education Department on Friday evening. Members of the association burned the circular issued by the Education Department on extension of half an hour in school timings. They are annoyed with Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Teachers informed that CM did not discuss the issue with the teachers despite of his assurance made 6 months back.
चीफ मिनिस्टरच्या ऑफिसांच्यान अशें सांगलेलें आमकां की सगळे बरोबर बसुया आणि एका वेळाचेर इश्यू रिजॉल्व करूया, पूण अजून पर्यंत 6 महिने जाले तरी पूण चीफ मिनिस्टराक आमकां लागून अर्दवर ना. ज्या चीफ मिनिस्टरान ज्या डायरेक्टर ऑफ एज्युकेशनान संबंध गोंयच्या 6,000 टिचरांचे आनी बाकी सगळ्या स्कुलांचे जे अर्दवर वाडयलां, आमचे सगळ्यांचे अर्दवर वाडयलां, त्या अर्दवर वाडयल्या त्या विशयाचेर आनी 6,000 फॅमिलींच्या विशयाचेर उलोवपाक ताजे कडेन अर्दवर ना. चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन मागता की ताणें कमीत कमी अर्दवर तरी दिसाक ह्या एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटाक जे पोर्टफोलियो एज्युकेशन मिनिस्टर म्हणून आसा ताका अर्दवर तरी दिवचे आनी तांचे जे आतां पर्यंत जी चाल ढकलपणाची जी वृत्ती आसा त्या वृत्तीचो जाहीर निशेध करपाक लागून आमी हांगासर जमा जाल्ले आसा आनी जाहीर निशेध करता की डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ एज्युकेशन परत जी सर्क्युलर धाडटा ती आमकां कोणाकूच कन्सिडर करिनासतना धाडटा आनी एक्सटेंडेड नंबर ऑफ वर्किंग डेज हाका की हें विड्रॉ करचें म्हणून. अनिल पवारान आमकां सांगलें की 15 दिसां भितर तुमचे हे सर्क्युलराचेर आपूण रिप्लाय दिता. 15 दिसांच्यान जून जालो, जुलय जालो, ऑगस्ट, सप्टेंबर, ऑक्टोबर जालो, अजून पर्यंत अनिल पवारा कडल्यान कांयच रिप्लाय येना.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.